better confirmation that I'm heading for the station.
Through is Mårten Stångberg and Mikael Andersson.
Another wild card here. Another ball, though. I like it. But Stångberg in the lead, coming up towards his entry here. Holding left, coming through the entry really nicely. On throttle, through the whole thing.
Andersson is also like going pretty straight through the initiation point.
Yeah.
This is the first outside.
Exactly.
Kind of looked a bit like Otto.
Coming through there, he's a little shallow, so he's a bit offline in the chase. Lead is perfect right there.
Yeah, and through second and third outer zone, both lead and chase are really, really good.
Yeah, that is really nice. So I believe the decel zone is an outer 4. So should not be decelling in any of the previous zones or after, except for initiation, obviously. That was a really strong lead. Really strong lead from Stångberg. Well, here they go. They come up the run up here for the initiation, slamming through gears, and initiates a bit early and shallow. Keeps pushing forward. I think that car might be way too gripped up. Oh, that was interesting, to say the least. Oh, you see that front wheel wobble in there? It's correcting that angle a bunch. Trying to reach through all these zones.
Yeah.
Let's check this replay and see what they're doing again. All right. Yeah, that's way offline there. I feel like that car is way gripped up. He overcorrects over here to get throughout that zone. Comes way too shallow over here. Is in the inner clip. He is there, but it definitely messes up that chase line, so I don't think Stångberg will have to worry about the chase line too badly there.
New driver. Mattias Nordängen against Mårten Stångberg. A pretty good season.
All right, these guys got the green light. Nordängen is... Oh, his hood is flapping a little bit there, but it's still on there, so that's good. Really early initiation there.
That makes Stoneberg do an early initiation as well.
The track is just real slippy, hard to get into the inner clip if it's slippery on top of just already being like difficult to have that line through there. All right, a little shallow on outer 3 there, coming out to 4, and shoof, yeah, they slid right out.
Feels like
both of them did.
Yeah, it feels like Stoneberg tried to close that proximity a bit, and then people in the comments who are maybe not too happy with the layout.
They're going. Stoneberg in the lead and Nordängen in the chase. Running up that hill here, and all right, they keep it on the track there. So Stoneberg gets out to 4. Tries to get into the inner clip, and they both get in there, which is really nice. Oof, just all the smoke. All the smoke.
That's a really, really good lead from Stoneberg.
That is a beautiful lead run from Stoneberg. Don't get the momentum you need and can't get out to certain zones, your line's going to be off. So they initiated mid-track. And you still made it out to outer 2. Keeps it a little shallow there for proximity, most likely. Unless there is some grip issues on the car too. Might be too gripped up. Let's see. Yeah, very shallow there in the chase, very shallow.
Let's see what happens. Stoneface Hampus. The ball is for Morten Stoneberg, through to the top 8, and Mattias Nordängen is out by Norway. See you next season. And Morten Stoneberg is back.
That was our top 16 battle. We had some problems in the chase. I don't exactly remember what happened because I was so focused, but I messed the line up a little bit, but he also overshot the transition really far out. So I also slided out a bit and I had to cut the corner to gain some proximity. Not the best of runs. In my lead, on the other hand, was amazing. Probably even better than in top 32. So I felt really stoked about that, and I think that run caused us to take the win. So we got the win. We're moving on to top 8.
So here they are, Kristoffer Sivertsen in the lead, Morten Stoneberg in the chase. So this is the other battle for the top 8. Initiates. Stoneberg did not get initiation that good. They hit second and third. Stoneberg having problems shallow in the 4th as well. We'll hit the inner clip since he was shallow. Yeah.
Sivertsen getting out there to outer 5 and outer 6.
Doing a real good lead.
Oh, we got sparks. We're gonna swap places, and Stoneberg's gotta give it his all now in that lead. Burr. Light is green, and off they go. Morten's almost said Martin now. Now I'm the one saying the wrong names today. Morten Stoneberg in the lead, and Kristoffer Sivertsen in the chase. Ooh, really nice initiation. Ooh, Sivertsen is off with the tire there.
But Stoneberg is deep and doing really good so far. Hits the inner clip too.
That proximity though. Sivertsen is on his door. He kept it together after going off right there. Obviously that was a line deduction since he was off with the tire, but let's see here. Oof, yeah, it came in way too hot. Avoided hitting Stoneberg, avoided going off completely, but does drop a tire there, so we'll see whose hiccup is the biggest. Both go through that inner clip really nicely there, and wow, that proximity. And Stoneberg's lead is just beautiful. That is beautimous.
He knows every inch of that one. And he goes... Sivertsen goes through.
Yeah.
So that wraps up our 2023 season here at the Scandinavian Drift Series. In our top 8 battle, I went to get Sivertsen. And in the initiation, I got a little bit left behind, but maintained a little bit of a proximity. But when we went over to the outside transition, he cut the track and went over the grass. I had really nowhere place to go, so I cut the grass a little bit as well, but I lost the proximity. In my lead, I put down a lead that I was really proud of, pretty much even better than the top 16. However, somehow the judging went against me. They told me that I accelerated too much in the initiation, going out to outside zone 2. We don't feel the same and don't agree with the judging, but it's drifting, it's a judgment sport, so that's it. I think we ended up 7th in the competition, and we're going to see how we end up in the standings for the whole championship. But huge shout out to all the partners, to the team, and everybody involved, and all the fans who came by and talked to me this weekend. So, thank you for this time, and talk to you soon.